Open Android Studio. Click on the Configure, Plugins. We want to install the Flutter plugin. Browse repositories. Search for Flutter. Click on Install. And we also want to install Dart plugin. So yes. Close. Okay. Restart the Android Studio. Now we have the Flutter plugin installed for the Android Studio. You have the option to start a new Flutter project. Click on that. Choose Flutter application. Next. Leave the project name as default. You will have to provide the Flutter SDK path, which should be the folder which contains the Flutter bin folder, like this. Specify your project location. Next. Specify your company domain. Finish. The Android Studio will create the new project for us. To run the Flutter application, we need to specify a target device. Let's use the iOS simulator. After the simulator starts up, you can click Run to compile and install the application on the simulator. Alright, here is our first application.